Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to create, move, and delete lines in the Withthegrid platform. We'll start in the monitoring environment to create lines. We can move to this icon where we can actually add and edit locations and lines. To add a line, we select Add New Line, and we can add a line by clicking. We can create a new node. And we can finish a line segment by double clicking. This prompts us to create and to submit this new line. We can give it a name, test line, and create this object, which has some properties. Gives us a length of this line automatically. We can also add different properties. And also the locations that are connected to this line. To edit a line, we again come to this icon and we select Move Locations and Lines. And to edit a line, you just need to select it. And here you can see all the nodes that are on the line, and these can be moved around. We can also move this sub nodes, and they will create additional nodes, so we can expand these lines and completely change their appearance and the topology. And we can set locations, or we can also delete nodes by selecting Alt and clicking on a node. So this way we can actually remove nodes that we are not interested in, and then again we can resize lines however we want. And to save changes, we need to confirm this. And we're done with implementing a line segment. And if we want to completely delete this line, we can select it, click delete, and we have to copy the name. And we have successfully deleted the line.